Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, this is your subject teacher of science and today I am here with a summary of chapter number 2, uses of plants from your textbook. So my dear students, in this chapter we had covered the topic plants give us food. In this topic we studied about or we learned about fruits and vegetables. So students, from where do we get fruits and vegetables? We get fruits and vegetables from plants. An example of fruits are mangoes, grapes, oranges, guavas, watermelons, strawberries, cherries, lemons and peach. And example of vegetables are potato, radish, cabbage, carrot, broccoli, onion, lettuce, celery, turnip and cauliflower. So students, I hope you have learned the spelling of these fruits and vegetables. And in our next topic we had discussed about we eat the different parts of plants as vegetables. So students, we eat roots, stems, leaves, flowers and seeds of plants as vegetables. For example, of stems we eat potato and sugarcane as stem. We eat carrot, radish and turnip as roots, cabbage and lettuce as leaves, flowers. For example, cauliflower and broccoli we eat as flower, corn and groundnut as seeds. So students, plants give us different kinds of food. And in our next topic we had discussed about the topic cereals and pulses. So students, plant give us food grains. So students, food grains of some grass like plants such as rice, wheat, maize and barley are known as cereals, and some cereals are ground to make flour. For example, rice, wheat and maize. The next topic was pulses. So what are pulses? We also eat grains such as moong and kidney bean, that means rajma. These food grains are known as pulses. Pulses are found inside pods. For example, moong and kidney bean. And we also cover the topic tea, coffee, cocoa and sugar. So students, do you ever think from where we get tea, coffee and sugar? We get it from plant. We get tea by using tea leaves, coffee from coffee beans, cocoa that is used to make chocolate, used for making chocolate. And I know you like chocolate very much. And sugar, we get sugar from the plant sugarcane. In next topic, spices. So what are spices? A spices is usually a dried seed, fruit, root or bark of plants. It adds flavor to our food. For example, cardamom, black pepper. So there are many spices that we add to a vegetable for a flavor and taste also. The next topic that we had learned, that plants give us oil, medicine, fibers, So students, we get oil from the seed or fruits of plants, like we use oil for cooking and oiling our hair. For example, mustard, coconut, sunflower and olive. So we use the oil of these seeds. And plant give us fiber. So students, what are fiber? Fiber is a thin thread-like material. Fibers are used to make cloth, for example cotton and jute. At last we had learned the topic plant give us paper, rubber and gum. So students, we get paper from bamboo tree, rubber from rubber tree and gum from kikar tree. So students, plants give us many things and plants have many uses. We get most of our food from plants. And students, we also get wood from plants such as teak, sesame, pine are the trees from where we get wood, and wood is used to make houses, furniture, boats, carts, etc. And we also get soaps and toothpaste and perfume. By the help of plants, we use juices and oils of certain plants to make soaps and toothpaste. Flowers of plants such as rose and jasmine are used to make perfume. Now students, let's remember here a short activity based on this chapter, that is cross the odd one out. So let's do it. Here we have to cross the odd one out. Here few sets of words are given. The first set is cotton, jute, wool and rubber. So my dear students, cotton, jute and wool are the fiber, and rubber is not a fiber. So here the odd one out is rubber. So we have to cross the word rubber. Now next, erasers, tires, paper and pipes. So students, in this set of words, eraser, tires and pipes are made up of rubber, and paper is made up of bamboo. So here the odd one out is paper. So you have to cross paper. Now in third, teak, sesame, pine and kikar. So students, from the tree teak, sesame and pine we get wood, and from kikar we get gum. So here the odd one out is kikar. So you have to cross this. Now second one, name the following. These are used to make cloth. So here your answer will be fibers. So you have to write here fibers. In second, we use it to make glue, gum. In third, we get this from the juice of the rubber tree. It means rubber. Now let's come to the keywords. Cereals. So students, what are cereals? The food grains of grass-like, not gram-like plants. It's grass-like plants such as rice, wheat, maize, barley and oats are known as cereals. The second one, pulses. Grains such as moong and kidney bean found inside pods are known as pulses. The next one, spice. A spice is usually a dried seed, fruit, root or bark that gives flavor to food. Now let's come to the summary of this chapter. Plants give us food, oil and medicines. We get fibers from plants. Fibers are used to make cloth. We get paper, rubber, gum and wood from plants. Soaps, toothpaste and perfumes are made from juices and oils of certain plants. So my dear students, this was the summary of this chapter. I hope you understood about the whole topic from this chapter. So students, in this chapter what you have learned about? The uses of plants. So plants are very useful to us. So we have to take care of them. Don't cut the trees. We have to plant more and more plant, because we know plants are very useful to us. In this chapter, you had studied many uses of plants, and I hope you understood the importance of plants, because we get many of things from the plants, or in other way we can say that our lives are depend on plants. Now your turn to study it and grasp it.